Kia ora koutou, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name is Sharon Holt, and today I thought we'd have a little look at time. There's lots of things we can do about time, but this is just a beginning one. So one of the ways you can ask what's the time is he aha te wā, or he aha te taima, kua aha te wā, or kei te aha te wā. There's lots of different ways. Some people will say one's better than other. I am just going to talk about he aha te wā because we've done he aha before, so it keeps it a little bit simpler. But at the moment, that's what we'll work on, and just know that there are a lot of ways to say that, and then as it turns out there's lots of answers to that as well, so let's try and keep it simple. So you've got the clock face here, and obviously you've got te kau mā rua karaka, which is the literal way of saying 12 o'clock, te kau mā rua karaka. There is also another way if it's midday, that's Paupotanga o te rā, which is like the sun is straight up, Paupotanga o te rā, and if it's midnight, Wainganui pō, because Wainganui is the middle and pō is night. So that's three ways of saying 12 o'clock. With the others, you've got toru karaka, ono karaka, iwa karaka, so all of the different numbers around the clock, just put the word karaka after it, karaka being the word for clock. Then when you're talking about quarter past, quarter to, and half past, hau whā mai I te is quarter past, so the whā in there is to do with 4 and it's to do with a quarter, and hau whā ki te is quarter to, and then for half past the whā changes to rua for 2, hau rua mai I te, so for example 6:30 would be hau rua mai I te ono karaka. 6:15 would be hau whā mai I te ono karaka. 6:45 would be hau whā ki te ono karaka. So that's all about that, and you just change depending on what number it is on the clock. If you're wanting to talk about something other than 2:45 or 2:30, 2:30 and 2:15, then you're saying something minutes, like we would say 10 minutes past or 20 minutes to. So you're using your number here, so let's say it's 4:05, rima miniti I te, because that's past, rima miniti I te whā karaka, 5 minutes past 4. If it's 5 minutes to 4, rima miniti ki te whā karaka. So that's a simple way of looking at how to say the time. Just remembering that this side is past, and I mean if you were saying 40 minutes past something, well you would normally say 20 minutes to something, but if you are, then you would still say past. It just depends if you're saying past or to. I te for past and ki te for to. Hopefully that's helpful. We'll be doing some more work on time and a bit more the answers to things. What time is something going to happen, and what time maybe you're going to do something in another video. So that's a good starter. Practice these ones, looking at the clock, and always looking at the clock and thinking, okay, what would that time be in Te Reo Māori? Knowing that sometimes there are different other ways of saying some of these times, and it's just preferences. Okay, ka kite.